Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Patagonia Rainshadow Jacket. So this definitely packs a punch when it comes to being eco-friendly. It's bluesign approved and it is fair trade certified, which alone is amazing, but I would expect nothing else from Patagonia. The jacket itself is made out of 100% recycled nylon stretch material, which is also covered in ripstop material. It has a 3-layer waterproof system, which means it's waterproof, but also increases the breathability as well. And it has a DWR coating on the outside just to help repel, should I say, the waters. And it weighs in 397 grams. Anyway, that's enough about that. Let's take a look at the key features of the jacket. So what you'll notice on the front of the main zips, they are semi-waterproof. Now they are not properly waterproof due to the fact that, you know, you've got to unzip the jacket to get in and out. So there is that slit in there, but that means it just stops any interference going into your core. So any wind chill, any rain, even heat and anything like that. It just means it's going to help maintain your overall core body temperature. And you also have a guard underneath that little flap there. So that, again, working with the semi-waterproof zip is going to stop any interference to your core body temperature. The chest pocket itself, again, it has that zip in there and it's a nice space. Let me just open it up. So space-wise, as you can see, I can pretty much get my entirety of my hand in there, which is really, really good. So say you can pop bits and bobs in there, whatever you pop in there, zip it up and away you go. You have two traditional pockets on the hip, two traditional hip pockets. And if I just open up this one here, what you'll notice, hopefully we can get this up in the close-up, it is double zipped. Now what that means is you can actually stow this entire jacket in the left-hand side pocket. So if the heavens stop, or you know, you're getting a bit hot and you know, you basically just don't want to wear the jacket, you could stow it in its pocket, pop it in your day pack, and away you go. That's a pretty cool feature to have. And again, just to show you on there, you've got a nice traditional, I'll show you the size actually of the pocket itself. So starts there at the bottom there, and it works all the way up to the top there. So from there all the way to there. So actually a good volume. You actually be able to get a map in there, which is pretty cool. And then just on the sides as well, hopefully the close-up will get this, you just got your traditional vents as well. So even if the heavens are opening up, it is raining, but you're still a little bit hot, just open up these side pockets or the side vents, and that should help keep you nice and cool. The hood itself has a really nice peak to it. Actually, I really do enjoy this peak. Yeah, it just means it's going to stay in place. It's semi-rigid. It's not a proper rigid peak, but it's just going to stay in place. So then you have your peripheral vision. The hood itself will move around you. You've got the traditional adjusters, which you can see are on the side there. Again, I'll pop that there for the close-up, just on there as well. So again, means you can adjust it, pull it in, and loosen it off as well. And then on the back, it's just a basic platform system on there. What you'll notice is that all the seams themselves have all been interlinked with one another, so there's no exposed seam. It's kind of looped round and it's stitched in there. Again, that means also on the inside it's been sealed off to really help with the waterproofing of this jacket. So this jacket, all in all, is fantastic from the eco side of things, from the fair trade side of things, to the performance. It's going to tick a lot of boxes for everyone. You can wear it, in all honesty, like I normally say, you're going to and back, back and from work, you're, I don't know, just doing your local trails, to even climbing in this jacket. It will keep you nice and dry. The only thing I would suggest is, because it's a DWR coating, you will have to top that up now and again, but as long as you maintain that DWR coating, you will stay nice and dry, and also the jacket itself will remain nice and breathable. So as long as you do that, you take care of the jacket, it will take care of you. So yeah, this is a massive win from Patagonia, and yeah, it's just a general all-round great jacket. And the fact that it's made out of 100% nylon stretch is fantastic. It's fair trade and it's bluesign approved. It's just a massive tick for me. All the ticks, all the boxes, should I say, are getting ticked. But if you want to find out more information about this jacket, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link pinned in the comments below. And also, while you're over there, you might notice that we're doing a pretty cool thing on our website at the moment. So every order that you place at webtogs.com, we're going to plant a tree. But that's not it, or that's not only it, should I say. So our carbon emissions at Webtogs are down by 93.5% as of recording. So coinciding with us planting a tree, on obviously for every order, it's actually going to help reduce our carbon footprint even more. Basically, the tree that we're going to be planting will neutralize 3 orders that are also being taken from Webtogs. How amazing is that? So yeah, that's just going to help reduce our carbon emission footprint. I mean, we're pretty good at the moment at 93.5%, obviously as of recording, but being associated with planting a tree per order, it's just absolutely fantastic, and it's only going to help the planet. And basically, it's something that we can all achieve very easily, and we're very proud to be offering that service up. But anyway, if you want to find out more information about that as well, just head over to our website, webtogs.com. Anyway, I'm going to stop blabbering on now. I'm going to leave you guys and girls alone. I hope you have a fantastic day, or are having a fantastic day whenever you're watching this. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trails.